Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about travel.
Hi. Hello. How many places have you traveled to? I visited all the provinces throughout my country. Who do you usually go with? I often go with my family, sometimes with my best friends. What's your favorite tourist attraction? That would be Venice City, in Italy. I love riding the gondola along the canals, while watching Italian people live their daily lives. Have you ever been abroad? Yes, I have. I came to Italy last year for a business trip. What language do you use when traveling? English, but sometimes I have to use body language, since not all people are good at English. What do you usually do during your trip? I often go sightseeing, take pictures, mingle with the local people and sample the local cuisine. What do you do to prepare for your trip? Before the trip, I search for information about the location, weather, famous tourist attractions, transportation, local cuisine and prices on the internet. What do you usually bring when you travel? I usually pack my suitcase with some necessary items such as clothes, medicine, food, a map, and a camera. Do you prefer traveling by car, train or plane? I prefer planes, although it can be a little expensive. Planes are much faster than any other mode of transport. Do you prefer traveling alone, or joining a guided tour? I love backpacking with my friends, who share the same interests as me.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about travel. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.